Okay, a quick one on DSY. Yesterday as I was going through, I was doing analysis on DSY because I'll be coming back by next month. So I decided to do a top-down analysis on DSY. You know that DSY control the market. When DSY is up, GBPUSD coming down, EURUSD coming down, other pair are coming doon, then USD chef is also going up. So I wanted to know the direction of DSY. So I decided to do a top-down analysis on DSY yesterday. I've not been trading since over a month now based on one or two things. Then I realized that there's this trend line, that no, not this one, that has been acting as a support to this particular DXY. Although this will not be a perfect one because I'm doing it from my phone. My laptop is currently off. Okay, okay. This is a trend line here that I checked yesterday. This is trend line here. I could see that this trend line has been acting as a support to DXY. If we should get, okay, let's get a clear touch of it. It has been acting as support to DXY. When we get to this particular zone here, let me check. When we get to this particular zone here, it bounced off. It came here, it shied away from this particular trend line, but it got here, it bounced off. It got to this particular zone also, it bounced off. It got to this particular zone also, it give us what we call a double bottom here, which is a very concrete chart pattern on a monthly time frame. Whenever you see this, I always call it a bread and butter, because whenever you see a chart pattern on a monthly, best believe in the next 2 to 3 months will be bullish or bearish, whichever way the chart pattern face. So now we are on this particular trend line again. So what are we hoping for? So what I did yesterday was I brought my I put up my zone here. So I said that if DXY can be able to, because we are getting a a bullish confirmation, but DXY is still holding on to this particular zone here. If we can be able to clear this particular zone, note I'm doing this on monthly. I don't want to go over to weekly for now. I just want to get what the DXY will be saying in the next 3 months, because I'm a swing trader. I always anticipate for like what is coming about 3 months. Will I be bullish or bearish for the next 2 to 3 months? As a swing trader, I want to trade in direction of the market. So that is what I do. So I've come to the monthly to check everything, and what I'm seeing on the, if I'm to zoom out here, I don't want to talk about candlestick formation here, because this is not why I decided to do this quick update. I just want to check what is going on here, because there are a lot of candlestick formation that I'm seeing here, which I don't want to dive into now, because I don't want this video to be too long. So now, because DXY been here, a lot of account has been burned, because this is, I would just say, this is a ranging phase. It was not giving a clear higher high and higher low, which is a characteristics of uptrend, but it's not giving us in this case. If you check the way DXY move all the way from here, the structure of the market, the movement of the market is just so clean. And if you check the way it move also from here, if you check the way it moved from here also, the movement was clean. If you check it, it was also clean. The moment we got to this particular trend line, the market tip off, and that was it. The moment we got here again, the market also tip off, and that was it. The moment we got here, so we are also waiting. If this particular trend line, the top touch, that trend line, the top touch of a trend line always does a trigger. So if we can see something like just the market to just give us, it's giving us a chart pattern here clearly for the moment, but we are to wait for the chart pattern to confirm. So once we can be able to break out of this particular zone here and retest properly, that means in the next 3 to 4 months coming, we will be bullish on DXY and will be bearish on GBPUSD and EURUSD. That is how I trade. Whenever I'm bullish on DXY, other one I will be bearish on it. And DXY is always where I come. I don't trade DXY. I don't trade it. The platform I'm using do not support DXY trading. But I always use DXY to know the direction of my trade. Let's say if you can have something like this, a break above this particular neckline of this particular zone here, then we have a proper retest. Then we can now buy up in the next maybe June, July, August, September, we'll be looking to be longing DXY. That is what I have for now on DXY. Just let me do a quick update on DXY. I'm not totally back yet. I'll be back next month, because next month is when I'll also be trading. And because of what happened, I intentionally blew my last account, because the mental stress and everything that was going on at that time could not allow me to continue trading. So I had to just blow it and let my brain reset. So I'll be coming back this time. I'll be coming back. I'll fund my account, and I'll also be coming back with a profit. So that is why I decided to do a top-down analysis on DXY yesterday to know the way forward of DXY. So as a swing trader, this is what I'm waiting for. I will not be trading this range for now. I will not be trading inside this range for now. I'll wait for a clear break up to the upside, and if not, we'll continue bearish. That is, you know how I always say it, that we are always looking. We are in a game of probability. So you have to think, if plan A didn't work, you must have a plan B. So my plan A is let the SY break above and retest so that we can go long for maybe 2 to 3 months. But let it, if it can break this trend line, sustain below this trend line, then we know how we also do it. We'll keep selling. But for now, I'm bullish on DXY based on the trend line and based on the market structure that I'm seeing here. How DXY has respected this trend line for long, and this is monthly time frame. So I'm bullish on DXY. So bye guys. Please, my name is the Legend FS Academy. If you're seeing me for the first time, what I do here, I come in, week out to show my to do a weekly analysis, to show the trade I'm taking and the trade I'm not taking. So that is what I do on this channel. But currently, I've not been uploading back to back the way I used to do. But I will be back next month again with a rich chart work. You know how we do it. It's all about chart work here. So I'll see you in my next video. Please, if you like the way I teach, give me a thumbs up. And if you don't also like it, give me a dislike, but tell me in the comment box below what to do to improve my next video. As you all know, nobody knows it all. I'm here to learn. You're here to learn. You learn from me and learn from you until we attain the level which I call the CPT, consistent profitable trader. I'm not totally there yet, and I know a lot of newbies are not totally there yet. Join me on this trend as we head together. Bye for now. I'll see you later in my new video.